Alright, so in the previous lesson, we talked about while loops, but they went on forever and crashed the program. Now let's look at how to stop them. So you see what I put up here? First, I guess go back and watch the previous lesson if you need to. But see what I put here? Keep going equals true, right? And then the next line, exactly, um, I didn't indent, I just put it where this one is. While keep going equals true. Just make sure you put everything right, because if you put equals true, it's gonna have a different result. Keep going equals true. While keep going equals true equals true. Print and again, right? But if you were to go back and you can probably put this on Python. If we're to go back and put keep going equals true, while keep going equals true, if you just put one equals true and put print and again, it'll just keep on going forever. And so you got to put equals true, print and again. So it says and again. And then the next line, exactly indented where this print is, keep going equals false. So that's how to stop this thing from going on forever. So you can see it says and false. So when you go back, keep going equals false, while keep going equals true. So obviously this doesn't exist now. So it stops it right there. And then it goes, and then I put print one more time, and then it goes one more time. And so, yeah, just read this really carefully and just kind of interpret what this means. And the main thing is, like I was saying, you always got to look at the conditions and see if they're true, if they're false, and that stops the code or makes it keep on going forever. And also make sure you have your indentions right here, because if you have your indentions off, it's going to have an error. So look at this up here, keep going, look at this while, and then when I did print, all these are on the same indentation schedule right here. So hope that helped you out, guys. Leave a comment if you have a question or if you just want to comment. Thanks.